Good morning, students. I am PK Sir, Praveen Kumar Sir, and I welcome you all to MIT. As you know, it is a premier and prestigious institute, and I appreciate your decision to join MIT for your glittering career. I teach biology. I have been teaching in MIT for the last 4 years, and I am the senior faculty and HOD of science here in Alandi branch. I will teach you the basics of biology, and I appreciate your decision to choose science because you have plenty of opportunity in this field. I shall start my subject biology, and my class will be a dialogue. You are free to ask me question. I suggest you to participate in my lecture. Feel free to ask me any question or doubts, right, wherever you have. At the end of the lecture, I'll give you some assignment, and you have to answer those questions so that you can learn the chapter properly. So let me start first with science. As you know, biology is a subject that belongs to science. So all of you have opted for science. Maybe some of you will go with PCM or PCB. Few opt for PCMB also. Now, so I would like to ask you the basic question: what is science? Who can define science? Anyone? Yes, tell me that you have to define this word science. Science means organized study based on our knowledge. So once again I say, science is a series of systematic study based on our knowledge, observation and experience. So to cite one famous example, the Newton saw an apple falling from the tree, and he just saw and contemplated, reasoned out why the apple came down, why it did not go up. Then he, after a lot of contemplation, he discovered the famous laws of gravitation. So science, as you know, the two main branches of science. First one is called physical science, and second one is called biological science. In physical science, you study physics and chemistry. That will be a part of subject that you have opted for. So once again I say, science has two main branches. Physical science comprising or consists of physics and chemistry, and biological science that comprises botany and zoology. So now I come back to my subject biology, and I shall deal with the first chapter, that is nature, scope and careers in biology. What are the different branches of biology? By studying this wonderful subject, right, what are the career options that you will be heading for? So definitely all these topics and subtopics I shall be covering. But first let me define what exactly is biology. You must have studied in class 9th and 10th. The word biology has the Greek origin. The word, if you divide, comes to bios and logos. Bios means life and logos means study. That is, biology is the study of life. Biology is the study of history of life on earth. So it is a wonderful subject, and we study a plethora of topics. I hope most of you are comfortable in English. So definitely if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I try to go slowly. So definitely biology has many branches. One by one we shall deal with. The term biology was given by Lamarck. Biology, right, due to his contribution in biology, the Aristotle or Aristotle is regarded as father of biology. and the two main branches, in fact three branches of biology. First one is called botany, that is study of biology consists of plant, the study of plants. In botany we study, botany is the branch of biology in which we study about the plants. The second is zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology in which we study about animals. And the third one is microbiology. So once again I say, biology has three main branches. First one is botany, related to plant life, study of plant life. Second one is zoology, it is related to the study of animal life. And the third one is microbiology. Micro, as the name suggests, it is basically related to microorganism. Why microorganism? Because these organisms you cannot see with your naked eyes. That is, microbiology has come from microorganisms. And you must have heard the example of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, virids. These little or small or very minuscule creatures you cannot see with your naked eye. We need microscope and to enlarge its image so that we can see and study about this microorganism. So microbiology in which we study about microorganisms. You know the recent current what is going on in this world, coronavirus. Viruses, again we study that branch of biology that deals with viruses are known as virology. That deals with bacteria, bacteriology. So all these bacteria, viruses are studied under microorganisms. So microbiology is based on this. Apart from this, botany, zoology and microbiology, there are so many other branches of biology that I shall be dealing with, like cytology, morphology, anatomy and physiology, genetics. So many branches are there. The beautiful creature of nature, birds. You know, birds are able to fly in the sky. We are not able to fly. So you must know what is the study of birds known as. Birds are such a beautiful creature of nature. So who can tell me, anyone from you can tell me the study of birds known as? Yes, anyone? No. So study of birds is known as ornithology. Ornithology is the study of birds. And here again I ask you the famous question. Who is in India, who is known as the Birdman of India? Yes, anyone? This is a famous question asked in competitive exam. Birdman of India is none other than Dr. Salim Ali. He devoted his life for the rearing, caring and management of birds. The famous bird sanctuary is there in this Rajasthan, Bharatpur. So ornithology is nothing, it is the study of birds. In the same way we see the reptiles. We see the reptiles in our home nearby. Reptiles are creeping and crawling creatures. So study of reptiles, anyone can tell me? It is herpetology. In biology you have to deal with some typical terms that gradually I just repeat again and again so that you remember. So I shall later on in the lecture I will just give you some techniques how you can memorize the words. And so whatever we have learned now I shall revise once again. So I don't think that you will face any difficulty. So till now if anyone having any difficulty, feel free to ask me. I stick to my topic biology, and I told you that there are three main branches: botany, zoology and microbiology. Aristotle is known as father of biology. The term biology was given by Lamarck, and here we study about the life, the study of life, The study of life is known as biology.